This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Uba AL hek u MLA ka BJP na penthorum kra bar menteri bari khmi ya katanat fisheries ka sarkar jala ulaong balada pentrai kam ya ka dogono ka an la ka dei ka inner line permit ILP ne ka Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act MRSSA kimdi satya ban penthot ya ki nong song snong kari ulaong ba ka sarkar kadang penbiang ya ki kam ban pentrai kam ya ka MRSSA hapo ka jala ban le AA halor ka jingwan rong kerthap ki brio na sabar kad bayak ILP pan kadang sakot ban Hynrei da ka sarkar India.
The government, they are in the job for reintroducing the MRSSA in the state of Meghalaya.
But ILP, BJP is among the issue.
See, that is, the call has to be taken from the central government on this issue.
But state BJP aren't taking up enough.
We have to go with the state government, whatever the state government is taking an issue, the party BJP also will agree with that. If we, as the government, we are taking this decision, the BJP, state BJP also we are agree to the decision taken by the state government on any issues. If you introduce any kind of mechanism, if MRSA or any the ILP, all citizens of India should not be harassed, nor any human being should not be harassed. That is my clear view and my clear point. Nobody should be harassed. Everybody should allow to live and make this world a better place to live in for you, for me, and for everyone.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.